This feels like a breakup. As some of you may know, I've been a certified flip girly since the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and it's practically been my tech identity. But now I'm considering the unthinkable. I'm thinking about jumping to the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. If you caught the official teasers, then you know that Samsung changed their playbook this year. They introduced the gorgeous passport-sized form factor. It's wider but significantly thinner than a flip. It's smaller but way handier than a traditional fold. It feels like the perfect sweet spot. Let's start with the cover screen. It's significantly wider than what I'm used to on the Flip series, and I think I could get away with just using the cover screen for about 80% of my daily tasks. But the magic happens when you need that extra canvas space and open it up. Instead of unfolding from the bottom up like a flip, it opens from the side like a book, very similar to what they did with the Fold 8 Ultra. And once it's open, you are greeted by this gorgeous 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X canvas with a 4:3 aspect ratio. Now, coming from the narrow screen of a flip, experiencing the wide display for the first time was incredible. And before you guys even ask on the comments, the crease is hardly noticeable. But to be honest, I don't even know if I've just been using a foldable for so long that I've gotten used to it or immune na ako. But really, I just didn't notice it at all. The hinge feels solid and durable. It's easy to open but still with enough resistance so it doesn't feel flimsy. Overall, when you look at the design, the ergonomics, and the weight, it's only 201 grams. I really can't complain. Samsung also nailed the color options this year. You get cream and graphite if you prefer that classic sleek look, and there's my favorite, lavender. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Fold 8 Wide sports a dual setup, a 50-megapixel wide and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. I can't help but wish that they squeezed in a telephoto lens, but ultimately, for as long as the two cameras perform well for photos and videos, I'm happy. So saktong-sakto, I'm now in London for Unpacked and talagang masusubukan natin yung capabilities ng cameras niya. One thing I'll miss for sure is the effortless selfie experience with the Flip. Kasi with the Flip, you just use the cover screen, frame your shot, and boom, perfect selfie done. For this one, I have to unfold the device so I can actually frame it, or I just have to master the art of not needing a display to properly frame my selfies. Performance-wise, even though I haven't really had a lot of time with the device yet, in fact, I probably just had 2 hours with it, I'm pretty confident that it can handle whatever I throw at it because of the chipset. It has a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, so it's more than ready to handle the heaviest, most chaotic workdays we can throw at it. As for the battery, we're looking at the 4,800 mAh capacity paired with 45-watt fast charging. Now, coming from a flip lifestyle, that's definitely workable for me. You know, I never thought I'd see the day when I would even consider laying down my trusty clamshell, but here we are. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide finally did it, I think. It completely proved to me that you can have a massive, beautiful, totally immersive inner screen without feeling like you're carrying a giant heavy brick in your bag. It bridges the gap between lifestyle portability and power user productivity. So now for the big question, magkano ba to? The base 256GB variant starts at 109,990 pesos. But if you want to step up to the 512 gigs version, that will be 123,990 pesos. And for the ultimate 1TB powerhouse, it tops out at 151,990 pesos. So yes, definitely it's a big investment. So kailangan talaga we're sure that it aligns with our lifestyle and our daily needs. And as always, if you're planning to get it anyway, it's always best to do so during the pre-order period from July 23 to August 13. Samsung is rolling out some offers that you want to take advantage of. You get a free double storage upgrade, you can trade in your older device for a discount, and they're throwing in 3 months of Samsung Care Plus completely free. So what do you guys think? Am I making the right move leaving the Flip Club and joining the Galaxy Fold 8 Wide team? And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for joining me. My name is Leia, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!